Today I'm reviewing a product, Tube Gorilla. This is a free traffic app finally cracked YouTube's algorithm. Software which generates SEO link while building massive subscriber list and pulling into push button commission. Software only requires free traffic. Use YouTube to build list on autopilot using proprietary auto engager technology. This is a very unique thing which is first time brought in the market. Spy on competitors' video and steal the best keywords. Generate hottest hashtag for social media traffic. Thumbnail creator with 3 million copy free image, newbie friendly. Low one-time cost and get commercial license also. How it works: register, get your ID, customize, input your video. Tube Gorilla will generate SEO link for page 1 ranking as well as building your list on autopilot with Auto Engager. Then SEO ranking and list will profit your all everything very fast. Your profit will be unlimited if you keep making more and more videos. Now, this is the unique software which cracks YouTube algorithm and steal your competitors' secrets. Converts high quality SEO link to rank your videos and drive massive free traffic from them. Build subscriber list on autopilot through proprietary auto engager technology. Thumbnail generator link to internal library with 3 million plus copyright free images and videos. Hashtag generator, a unique thing which drives free traffic to any social media post which uses this software. Commercial license is also available. And hand off push button technology, low time fee, only one today. You're wondering, over $2 billion were paid to people like you and me monetizing their videos on YouTube. Are you riding this gravy train? If not, you need to sit up and listen. Has never been a better time to start. The one thing we do is certain that unless you take action today, you will not achieve success. That something is 100% guaranteed. Now, this system will spy on competitors' keywords, rank the videos, ability to create stunning traffic pulling thumbnails, then generate hashtag for maximum social media exposure. This requires only free traffic and build list at the same time. You don't need any website, product creation, advertising, content marketing, CPA offer, or anything selling. Now let us see this basic tube solution is $4,997. Auto engager is $1,997. Ability to spy on competitor is also $1997. Viral hashtag generator is $997. Thumbnail creator is $497. Commercial license is $997, and 5 action taker bonuses which is given with this product is $1035. You are getting total value of $13,517, and today it is available only for $17. Let us see what bonuses they are offering. Live training, which is valued $497. Then YouTube Maximizer, which is valued $147. Then YouTube Remarketing, how to retarget people on YouTube, which is $97. Then 1 million YouTube subscriber, dollar, sorry, all these things are in euros, 197. Then list building technology, which is $97. Let us see what is inside this Tube Gorilla in dashboard, where you will get a result of everything whatever you have made and views and subscribers. Then your channel is the number 2. Your channel will be shown here. Then channel manager will be there. Then MP4 video library, you will if you have just put a keyword and you will get all these videos. Then templates, all these templates you have to take, get these and take action. Then search tool is there, video, channel and playlist. You can search from here itself. You don't have to go out. Then keyword tool is in this. You can get any keyword what you want within very fast. Then trending hashtags. Just search for this keyword and it will give you all hashtags available which is trending. Then this is your thumbnail creator. You put a keyword and it will get you all those thumbnails which is relevant. There are more than 3 million free thumbnail creator images in this. And then video SEO tools. So here you have to get your video name, whatever you have created, create the campaign, and that tool will automatically make SEO so that your videos are ranked very fast. Then replies and comment and video ranks. These things are also available inside. Now let us see what are the bonuses I'm offering, which is Smash My Campaign is training, then how to grow your YouTube channel super fast is number two. Then how to legally use other videos is bonus number three. Then access one course on IG influencer, which is bonus five. Even you can get the vendors bonuses inside my page also. So total cost of my bonuses are over 3,800.